Hey everyone, it's Tom here from Tech Nexus, and how you going? So the second video for this week, I'm going to have a look at modeling in some roads inside InfraWorks, and it is really quite quick and easy. With the latest version of InfraWorks, the design roads component has gone and they've now become component roads. So they're all sort of built from assemblies, and what you can do is start off with the component road command, and then you got PI based or element based. So if I click through, then you can see that I can type in each of the individual values if it's element based. And if I was to switch that back to the PI based, so it just basically goes through and does all of the curves automatically between each of the intersecting points. So for this, I'm just going to leave it at PI based. The assembly, if you click on the icon or the word there that says 2 lanes, you will get a list of the assemblies that you can use. So there are some predefined ones, but tomorrow we're going to go through and I'm going to show you how to add your own styles into here. So for this, I'm just going to pick just a normal standard 2 lanes assembly, and then let's say I'm doing this through the middle of someone's yard here. So maybe we're building a new development and I just want to lay out some roads. So you can see there that I can have a look at all of the values in there. I can even lift it up, and then I can start to get some grading in there. If I wanted to colorize or put material on that grading there, then I can click on the icon here for the material and then click back in the screen, and then we start getting some pretty grass or sand or whatever you want to put on the side of that as well. So just to do something else quickly, if I wanted to draw another road through the middle of that, you can see InfraWorks will clean up the intersection in there. So we do have obviously options for whether it's an intersection or a roundabout. If I switch to roundabout, then I can go through and even nominate what size vehicles go through there as well, or even the style or the standard of the roundabout that is. So just going back to the intersection, and I can maybe turn around and put in there a WB19, which is quite a large truck, or I can just go back to a car and then have a small one in here. I can also go through and make changes to this, so I can say that it's always going to be a left turn for there, and again it's going to be nominated as a left turn as well. So as you go through and modify these things, it's all quite graphical. You don't really have to sort of go through and plug in numbers. You can just click on your mouse. You can modify all the yield positions here as well, so I can move that up a little bit, and then that way obviously you can see that the model adjusts itself as well. So there you go. So that's for the intersections. If I want to look at the profile, I can right click on it and say show the profile view, and then we get a profile view in here as well. And obviously I can pick up each of the points, and if I adjust it in the profile view, then the model will adjust itself. So even from that, we can turn around and maybe throw a bridge on that if we need to as well. So again, we can add another PVI. I can show in Canvas where that point is, and then work out where I am along that road there as well. So that way I can get a better design intent there. So that's it for roads for today. Tomorrow we're going to go through and I'm going to customize these road styles and show you how it's done. I do have a local standard which we'll have a look at as well, and then further on in the week we'll look at some things like the analysis and the bridge design and maybe the watershed analysis, and then we might finish off the week with a little bit of animation. So thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you like the video, thumbs down. Please subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon for all of my daily notifications of all of my videos, and thanks for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.